Good morning, guys. Come with me as I show you a day in the life of me as a real estate agent. Good morning, guys. It is now 7:34 in the morning, and we woke up really early because today we're gonna show you a day in the life of me as a real estate agent. Come with us. It's gonna be a long day. So we have shoot for today for three houses. Three houses, no? Three houses. Tapos we have a meeting at lunch. Tapos magpa-follow up tayo ng clients, set ng meetings, and yun, it's gonna be fun. So come with us para makita nyo rin yung mga bahay na binibenta namin. Mag-ayos lang ako ng very very light kasi haharap tayo sa camera or sa house tour. So powder lang tayo. I'm using Easy Cosmetics True Flex Perfecting Powder. Ito siguro yung gamit ng friend ko kaya perfect siya. Char. In the shade light medium. Ano lang, very very subtle, ano lang, to take away the shine. So, si babe, sobrang bait niya ngayon kasi, ngayon lang, hindi, sobrang bait niya kasi, kasamahan niya ako today to be my cameraman and director and driver. So, parang ako yung star for today. Super aga namin because we promised ourselves na this 2026 agahan namin ang gising at ang tulog. Tapos ako nakalimit na yung screen time ko sa phones. Yan. Tapos syempre, as if my jacket is not enough, I'll be wearing this cap. Oh, di ba? Live Realty, guys. No, if you're looking to buy, sell, lease, or build a home here in Pampanga or anywhere else, contact us. One of the things that I love about being an agent is because, number one, we help people buy and sell their houses, and number two, para din kaming na-house tour kasi we know the best of the best properties here sa area. Kaya naman mamamatch natin depende sa needs at gusto ng mga clients, di ba? Plus kami, na-visualize din namin yung dream home namin kasi ang dami namin nakikitang maganda. So, in the future, when it's time for us to buy our own, alam na namin yung gusto namin na style, na aesthetic, na layout, di ba? So, amazing lang yung work din. While on our way, quick story time lang on how I started to be an agent is because biniro ko lang yung friend kong broker. Ay, hindi pa siya broker at that time. So, she was about to take the board exam at sabi ko sa kanya na pag pumasa ka, ako yung number 1 agent mo. So, I think I said that as a joke, but also as a challenge for her. And nung pumasa nga siya, shoot, ayan, ano na, talagang totoo na talaga na I have to keep my word. And gusto ko rin naman talaga. Especially here in Pampanga, booming ang real estate. Kaya maganda mag-invest dito. So, marami talaga tayong na-attract ng mga buyers, investors na bumili ng property dito. Tapos, ayun, I've been an agent for more than a year now. And God has been good. Maganda yung run natin. For 2026, meron tayong target for ourselves na ma-hit. And God willing, di ba, ibigay ni Lord sa atin yun. Tok siya, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Grabe yung hikab. Grabe yung hikab niya. Andito na tayo, guys, sa first property. I-shoot natin. first property, sobrang ganda ng location niya kasi malapit siya sa Korean town. Malapit siya kung alam niyo yung Lala Garden na malaking cafe dito sa Angeles. Tapos siguro mga 20 minutes away from the airport. Malapit sa public market, malapit sa medical center, PRI. So it's a good location. Tsaka secured yung subdivision. One of the strictest itong village na to. This is our first property na i-shoot. So first thing to do, i-check yung details ng house. Guys, nandito na tayo sa first property na i-shoot natin. Sobrang bongga nito kasi smart home siya. So malay mo, ito yung hinahanap mo. First na gagawin natin, bubuksan natin yung house, tapos sisindi natin yung mga ilaw para maganda sa tingnan sa ating video. Parang house tour na rin to guys, pero quick lang. Code. Ganda ng mga details, oh. Tapos yung yung glass niya, double pane glass. Check lang natin guys para mai-present ko sa inyo ng maayos. Ito master. Ay, ang laki rin ito. Which one? Which one is the master? Tapos na yung first house tour natin. And naubusan ako ng English doon, guys. Yan, so patayin natin yung mga ilaw ngayon. So much kay Direk at ating cameraman.
So much, guys.
Benta na natin itong house na to. Yan na sa first house. Thank you. Pinawisan ako. Grabe. Super jacket kasi ako. Kanina malamig, ngayon uminit na. We are now off to the second house. And nagkubad muna ako guys kasi napakainit. Hitan ako. So we're now here sa kabilang village to shoot our second house. But before that, dadaanan namin yung broker namin sa kanilang house. Nagubad na ako ng jacket guys kasi napakainit naman talaga. Ayun na yung araw. Frenny! Time beach! Let's go to the beach. Ito lalagay yung mga Coke, San Mig Light. This is a day in my life. Pinakita mo pa talaga ang gulo ng car mo. Guys, ito may bago kaming toy. May bago kaming toy sa Realty. Drone. Hey guys, nandito na tayo sa second property natin. Bungalow siya. Yan. Nagdo-drone muna siya. Drone. Bago namin i-shoot. Ganda guys, oh. Done. Galing?
Wait lang. Next.
Welcome to Howie TV House Tour. Let's go. We're done. Guys, we're done shooting the second house and we're off to our third house. Third property na shoot namin. Napakaganda. 15.9 million lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Third property. 15.9 million. Yes. And after naming i-shoot yung house tour ko, mag-shoot naman siya ng walkthrough plus magdo-drone. Okay? Tapos yung aming broker is here. Meet Maria, our broker. Ayan, di ba? we are done shooting our third house for the day. And last part na lang is yung drone ng third house. Mag-drone lang siya. And then we are going to Spanglish for our lunch meeting with our broker and our partners sa brokerage. So it's 10:19. Marami na tayong nagawa. 10:19. So it's a productive day. So we are done shooting. It's 10:51 and we are going to Spanglish for our lunch meeting with our bosses. And we're very excited because it's the start of the year and can't wait to hear their plans
For us.
and of course I'm so hungry. Kaya excited.
Same.
I'll be there for the food. Joke lang.
And for the God. For the Lord. See there.
We just arrived here sa Spanglish. Our boss is here. I can see her car. Oh. So let's go and let's do a food review. Hello guys, we are now here at Spanglish and we have a meeting sa aming brokerage. So let's go. Spanglish is a Mexican-American restaurant here in Clark, Pampanga. Favorite ito ng boss namin. Thank you. Morning. We're with the boss.
Naka-makeup na ako. Wala.
Hi, this is our...
Ay, meron ba?
Meron nga.
Kasi kayo na wala akong makeup.
Tara, sino-sino ng atin?
Beta.
Ganun yung akin. Spanglish. Correct.
Oo, kasi yung rental namin doon, yung optical sa husband ko. Pero magkano rental? 156.
Present. Wow.
Butas na ka.
Guys, we're done with our meeting and we're going home na. So, tapos na yung araw namin ng 1 p.m. Galing.
Ay, ikaw magdadrive?
Yeah.
Sige. So.
True. Kuya, thank you. Yan. Nadrop lang ako sa house, then uwi siya ng wala, and then we're done. Mamaya mag-gym ako at mag-walk.
Ako
Or
rin, mag-walk ako.
or mag-gym.
Saan ka ba mag-walk? Sa house? Or
Depende. Depende sa mood, depende sa situation.